Hello everyone, today we're getting in a summer clean with me. So I started off with the living room and literally just took all the rubbish that was in there from the night before, the dominoes, cans, all the food things out of the living room. I then use this pink grapefruit detergent to spray the surfaces and get them nice and clean with a microfiber cloth. Moving on to puffing up the cushions and making the sofa nice and presentable. I did also, to freshen up, spray a bit of the pink grapefruit detergent on the sofas just to give it that extra scent, that fresh scent. I gave it a good old hoover and that was the living room done. In the bedroom, I started off by making the bed, or should I say beds, because I also changed the Moses basket sheet for CJ. I then tidied my dresser and sprayed the grapefruit detergent. And then folded some clothes and put them away. I did also spray the sides in the bedroom, but I forgot to film and clean the mirror. But after that, I did give it a good old hoover, and then that was the bedroom done. To start with, in the kitchen, I unloaded the washing machine and put the cleaner washing on the lines. I then emptied the bins. I tried and do this on a weekly basis, but sometimes it does get to twice a week. Now we have a little man in the house. I then put the dishwasher on and washed up CJ's milk bottles and sterilised them. Before putting out the rubbish in the bins outside. I then wiped the kitchen sides down with the grapefruit detergent and gave the floor a hoover. I then mopped the floor of the kitchen, and that was the kitchen complete. I removed everything from the bathroom sides and then wiped it down with the detergent. I then use this toilet cleaner by Easy. Never really heard of it before, but it does the job. This Dettol Power and Pure bathroom cleaner is amazing if you have limescale in your bathroom. I 100% recommend. When I fake tan, it dries up and goes on the side of the bath, and it goes like an orangey colour. This gets it off amazing, and yeah, recommend if you're cleaning your bathroom. With the combination of a Scrub Daddy, of course. Then I use this on the sink, and then on this shelf that we have above the bath, and then obviously in the bath itself. A while ago, just before I got pregnant, I decided to put these tiles on the floor that are just adhesive stick on, but as you can see, they're looking a bit rubbish, so I've decided to remove them and just have the blue flooring again. So this was my job today. Then this was the bathroom complete. Let me know if you prefer the blue tiles or the white ones, or any tips on getting adhesive white that actually stick, because ours just kept coming up. Moving on to the hallway, I had to remove a couple of items that were left on the banister, and then I gave it a good old wipe with the grapefruit detergent. I put my shoes away that were left at the bottom of the stairs in our hallway, and then gave the hallway a good old hoover. This was the hallway done, nice and clean. Moving on to the last room of the house, CJ's nursery. In here, I pretty much had to tidy a lot of stuff away, putting his clothes away that didn't fit him anymore, finding homes for things that I'm selling, etc, etc. Before I gave the sides a wipe down with the detergent, and then gave the room a good old hoover. This was his room completing this clean with me. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a like if you did, as it helps boost my content out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!